Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and you probably are wondering why I have like half my face done, but there's a reason for that. Today we'll be doing the Power of Makeup challenge, where I will do one side of my face with makeup and one without. I have seen this makeup challenge done by a couple people on YouTube and on Instagram, so I decided that I would try it myself. This is my one side and this is my other side. Get started. So real quick, I will not be touching the side of my face because a few minutes ago when I was like trying to wax my brows and make them neat for this tutorial, I didn't realize, I guess from this weather, my skin is like really dry, and I didn't realize, I don't know if you can see my lid. Is it showing on the monitor like right there? And I went to wax and rip off the strip. It like took some of my skin, like clean off. So it's like kind of burning. I put some face oil on it. I'm just not going to touch the side. I'm going to work with this side. So let's get started. So I'm just going to prime one side of my face. So, you know. Okay. I'm going with the Mario Badescu or Badescu. I never say it right. I'm not even sure if I said it right. Their facial spray, and this one is actually the lavender. I actually have the regular one, which I'm a fan of, but I really like this. I have something about lavender I really like. So I'm just going to spray this on one side. Just to hydrate my face with the primer under my foundation, because my foundation is matte, and again, clearly my face is too crunchy to be putting some matte foundation on. But the next step I'm going to do is go in with what do I want to do next? The next thing I'm going to do is actually my foundation. So I'm just going to take this flat brush and I'm just going to buff this in my face. Well, it's a lot of product. I forgot that this is like a nice coverage foundation. Okay, I'm just going to make an even line. Okay, that kind of sucked, but whatever. This is really light. Hold up. Hold up. We will blend this. Maybe I put on too much. Oh my god. I might have put on too much. We'll see. I'm gonna blend it out. I ain't gonna stress. Monitor, I look like a orange ass bitch. Like, I look really orange. Okay, we get somewhere, y'all. We get somewhere. Let me blend my ears, my baby ears, my ears and my baby ears. That's ridiculous. Bugging me. We just wanna. So it's pretty much in. It just looks weird. I need to get used to this. I feel so weird. Just. Oh my god. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do is set my foundation. I'm gonna be using the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm gonna just put this in my little pan. I'm just gonna take this. This is not the brush I use, but I'm just gonna use this. I can't hold my brush. So now that this side is set, I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows. So what I'll be using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. And I'm going to take my, where'd it go? I'm not losing everything that's right in front of me. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Brush, I think this is number 12. It is. I'm going to just brush out my brows. I'm now going to go with my Model in a Bottle brow sealer. This is my shit. And I'm like running out, but it's alright. Next, I'm going to go in and set my eyes in particular. So I'm going to use the same RCMA powder, and I'm just going to take a blending brush and I'm going to go in and set my lids. There we go. Okay. So I think I'm going to be using the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. I'm actually going to start with this shade right here. So I'm going to be going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Peach palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Let me show you. This shade right here. Next shade I'm going to go in with, it's going to be this shade right here. Oh, this one. I'm now going to go back into this Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe 35 OS palette. And with this shade. Back into the Juvia's Place palette with this dark shade and just go around the edge, my outer corner. I'm going to put on lashes and the finishing touches to my eye, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I went and finished my eyes, added some lashes, added a little highlight on my brow bone in my inner corner. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to highlight, contour, and everything else that is magical. I'm going to be going in with because I'm using Fenty, I might as well do it. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Concealer. This is in the shade Latte. And I'm actually going to spray the tip of it just to wet it up so it doesn't go on so... Because it is a thick formula, so I'm just going to wet it so it just glides on for me. There we go. Oh. I'm going to spread that around. Okay. And I guess like on the side of my nose. Oh, that worked. That's like kind of on the edge. And I'm going to do this side, that side of my forehead, and I guess that side of my chin. And I'm just going to blend it out. I'm going to take a beauty blender, I'm going to wet it a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm now going to go in with my banana powder. I'm going to put this on my under eye. Everywhere I highlight, I'm just going to add it too. And I'm going to take this brush, kind of because it's like a little angled. And I'm just going to take a big brush and I'm going to brush it off. Ah! I found it. I found it. I found it, guys. Next, I'm going to be going in to warm up my face a little bit. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. This is the medium to tan one. Clearly, I've used this palette way too much and I need another one. I'm going to just use this to contour my face. That nose is like, it's like snatch right there. Okay. Oh, wow. Next I'm going to go in and add a highlight. And I like to do my highlight before I do my blush because I feel like you contour, you do the highlight, and then you do the blush, and the blush just like blends it all together. So I'm going to go in and do my highlight, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This one is that glow. So I'm going to be going in, I'm going to be using Dripping in Gold, which is, I believe it's this one. Woo! That's a lot of, that's a lot. Ooh, damn. Okay. That is a lot of highlight, but I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry about that. So before I do my blush, I forgot. I want a sharp contour. So I'm gonna go back in and pick up some of that RCMA no color powder, and I'm just gonna swipe it. Ooh, I'm looking real cute on the side. Like, this me is looking a little rough, but this is the girl I know. This is her, y'all. This is her. I'm gonna go in and do my blush. That's what I've been waiting to do, right? But this is just like a random blush that I found. I don't even know where I got it from. It has a sticker on the back that I like. It's from like my Z palettes. Oh, it's so hard because like what part do I blend? How do I blend? It's kind of weird, but we're gonna do it. Alright guys, next I'm going to go in with a lipstick. And I want to take the Kylie Cosmetics, her mini matte liquid lipstick. This is the shade Ginger, and this is a mini from her holiday collection from the previous year, 2016. I done got myself in the eye. So this is my regular side. And this is my glam side. It is a difference. It is a big difference. But this was so much fun to do. I feel a little weird just like one side of my face done. But this was really cool. And I'm so happy that you guys joined me today and watched this video with me. Please come back for more. There will be so many more videos to come. This is just the beginning. I'm just starting out, but don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to leave any feedback, if you have any questions, any ideas, anything else that I could try, please feel free to let me know. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.